Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of PHP and showing you how to install and run it on Termux without needing root access. By the end of this video, you'll have PHP up and running on Termux and be ready to start coding. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what PHP is. PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. It's a popular server-side scripting language designed for web development. It was created by Danish-Russian programmer Rasmus Lerdorf in 1993. PHP is widely used to build dynamic and interactive websites. Now that you know what PHP is, let's move on to installing it. To install PHP on Termux, open your Termux app and type the following command: package install PHP. This command will download and install PHP. Once the installation is complete, you can verify that PHP is installed by running php-v. This will show you the PHP version and some details about the installation. If you encounter any issues, make sure you have the latest Termux packages by running package update and package upgrade before reinstalling PHP. Now, let's set up a project directory. We'll create a new directory for our PHP project with the command dir php project. Then, navigate into this directory with cd php project. This is where we'll create and manage our PHP files. Next, let's create a PHP file. Run touchmain.php. Now, let's edit this file using the nano editor. Type nanomain.php. Inside nano, add the following PHP code. To save your changes, press Ctrl+S, and then exit nano by pressing Ctrl+X. To see our PHP file in action, we need to start a PHP built-in server. Run the following command: php s localhost 8800. Why do we need to start a server? Unlike Python, which can execute scripts directly, PHP requires a server to process PHP files and serve them to a web browser. The S flag tells PHP to start a server on the specified port, which in this case is port 8800. Open your web browser and go to http://localhost 8800. You should see the message a web page. Congratulations! You've successfully run a PHP script on your Termux environment. Great job! Now let's explore PHP a bit more. Type PHP A to access the shell interpreter. In PHP, you can use the shell to create variables, then print them with echo. Write functions and execute them. The shell interpreter is powerful and flexible, allowing you to write and test your PHP code right from Termux. You can also use if statements and other control structures to build more complex scripts. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found this guide helpful and are excited to start developing with PHP on Termux. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Leave any questions or comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.